Welcome everyone. So today we will start revision of chapter 2, which is acids, bases and salts. So as you can see that I'm sharing some points with you which is in the form of notes, so you have to note it down these points in your pair notebook, and you also have to maintain your notes regularly. So as every day now I will be sharing some topics in the form of notes. I will give you notes every day, and at the same time we will do revision as well. So you have to maintain your notes on a regular basis. Now the other thing is that on Saturday we finished our chapter acids, bases and salts and all the exercises questions as well. So what you have to do, and I hope that I already said also that you have to do all the questions. So if you have done it, it's okay. If you haven't done it till now, then first you have to complete that, then only you will be able to complete your notes also. Now let us start with the topic indicators. As you know that just after introduction, the first topic which we discussed in this chapter is indicators. So there are three different type of indicators which we discussed: natural indicators, synthetic indicators and olfactory indicators. So in natural indicators there are many natural indicators, but in detail we discussed about two: litmus and turmeric. So here I have given the heading of litmus paper only. Actually litmus, as you know also, it is not present only in the form of paper, but it is also present in the form of solution also. They both are chemically the same thing and they both are showing the same result also. So if you want, you can just modify this heading. So in neutral medium it is purple in color, and that is what it is in its original form also. In acidic medium it is showing red color, and in basic medium it is showing blue color. Now second natural indicator is turmeric, which is also well known to you. In neutral and acidic medium it is showing yellow color, which you already know. That means it is available to us in the form of yellow color itself, and in acidic medium it retained its color, and that is why it is yellow in color. Whereas in basic medium it is showing reddish brown color. Now if you haven't observed it till now, suppose if you want, you can test it also. Like if you can make one turmeric paste and put it on any old cloth and so, and when you are simply just washing it with the help of soap, then that yellow color it will change into reddish brown sort of color, because soap is basic in nature. Now next one is synthetic indicators. So in synthetic indicators we discussed in detail about two: phenolphthalein and methyl orange. So the first one is phenolphthalein. In neutral and acidic medium it is colorless, whereas in basic medium it is showing pink color. And that is how, as you can see, this is the meaning of indicator also, that in acidic medium and in basic medium they are showing different color, and that is how we are able to distinguish between acidic medium or basic medium on the basis of these substances, and they are said to be indicators. Now the second one is methyl orange. So in basic medium it is showing yellow color, whereas in acidic medium it is showing red color, and in neutral medium it is orange, as you can understand also from its name. Then olfactory indicators, we discussed also olfactory indicators with the help of one activity. It is given in your book. So there are four important olfactory indicators: onion, clove oil, vanilla and garlic. Now see, all these four things, they are having their own characteristic smell. Onion or clove oil, vanilla, garlic, they all are having their characteristic smell. So olfactory indicators means these indicators, they are showing different smell in acidic or basic medium. So generally what they are doing, that they are able to retain their smell in acidic medium. That means whatever is their characteristic smell, they are able to retain that their characteristic smell you will be able to observe in acidic medium, but their characteristic smell it is lost in basic medium. That means in basic medium you will not be able to identify these substances on the basis of their smell. So that is how they are able to differentiate between acidic medium and basic medium on the basis of their characteristic smell. So this is about the first topic, indicator. I hope that you have understood also, and you have to note down these points, and once you will just note it down and revise it from your side just once, then also it will be very much clear to you. So tomorrow we will be discussing about the next topic, which is chemical properties of acids and bases. So thank you.